In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Templates, a powerful feature that can streamline your workflow and supercharge your productivity. Miro is an online collaborative whiteboarding platform renowned for its versatility and ease of use. It's perfect for teams looking to work together in one visual space. Now, let's dive into how you can maximize your use of Miro Templates to get the most out of this tool. First, you'll want to head over to your Miro board home. This is the starting point for all your projects within the platform. Once you're on the Miro dashboard, you have the perfect opportunity to explore all the templates Miro has to offer. Templates are pre-designed boards, each tailored for various purposes like brainstorming, project planning, and agile workflows, among others. They can be incredibly helpful for getting your ideas organized quickly and efficiently. Next, you'll want to click on Explore Templates. Miro's library is vast, filled with templates designed for every need you might have. This feature allows you to see all the templates available, providing a comprehensive overview of your options. The templates are conveniently organized into categories, so you can easily find the fit that meets your specific needs or industry, from different areas like sales, marketing, product development, and more. Another great feature in Miro is the AI Accelerated section. This section provides templates that are enhanced by AI to speed up your work processes and make complex tasks easier. These templates can offer you smart suggestions and quicker ways to visualize and present data. If you're tackling a complex project, AI-powered templates can help make the process more manageable and intuitive. Understanding your use cases is also crucial. In Miro, you can explore use case-specific templates that are tailored to meet various project requirements. Whether you're working on creating a roadmap, planning a workshop, or designing a website, these use case templates can significantly reduce setup time and help maintain consistency throughout your project. If you're looking for something specific, Miro provides a search function within the templates section. You can search for the template that suits your exact requirements. Once you've found the right one, simply click on it and then select Use. This action will open a new board with your chosen template, allowing you to immediately start customizing it according to your needs. Perhaps the most useful feature is that once you click on Use, you can start editing the template immediately. Personalizing it according to your unique requirements enables you to adapt the template structure to seamlessly fit your workflow. You can add elements, adjust the style, and fill in details relevant to your project. There you have it. Miro templates are a powerful tool that simplifies collaborative work, providing a wide array of templates to fit nearly every conceivable workflow. By using them effectively, you can save time and improve your team's productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find Miro templates as helpful in your projects as they have been in mine.